Yeah, here we go. Once again, everybody, thank y'all for coming. Um, Thank you for joining us. This is businesscreditbuilder.us. My name is Noel A. Booker Sr. The website is businesscreditbuilder.us. Today, we're going to talk about how to buy a car with business credit using business assets. Now, you can see the full article at my website at businesscreditbuilder.us. Then you go to my blog, right? So just go to businesscreditbuilder.us/blog. You go to the blog and you can find this article, which is called How to Buy a Car with Business Credit Using Business Assets. Okay. And this is going to be real quick, right? Because these joints that I'm doing for YouTube like this, streaming on Twitch, is going to be real quick joints, right? Okay, here we go. And okay. So your business has assets, and one you may not know much about is business credit. You can leverage these assets in all sorts of ways. So, this is how to buy a car with business credit, right? I'm just going to go over the steps real quick, all right? Simple stuff. Step one, build business credit, right? Build business credit. That's the first step. And you can get a guide on how to build business credit by going to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide and get that free guide, right? And when you get that free guide on business credit, you'll get into my email list. You'll get a whole bunch of good information, no doubt, right? And you'll know when my webinars are scheduled and all type of stuff, right? Okay, so the first step is to build business credit, right? And the quick the steps in building business credit is one, set up your business credible in the eyes of the lender. Know about the business credit reporting agencies. Um, start with Start building your business credit with net 30 vendors. These are vendors that'll give you credit when you have no credit. And they'll give you a little bit of credit. And when you buy something on credit, you got to pay the total in 30 days. Hence the term net 30. So that's one, two, three steps, right? The fourth step in building business credit is to go to and get revolving accounts. Revolving accounts, you don't have to pay the total balance in 30 days. They give you a minimum amount to pay, each month, right? Like a credit card, right? Okay. Step two in how to buy a car with business credit is your business needs to be turning a profit. So they don't want to give you a loan for a car if you're losing money, right? So you got to be able to show them that your business is turning a profit. Okay. Of course, a lender is going to want to know that you can and will pay a small business loan back. This means your business will have to be able to show profits, and it will likely have to prove that you have regular cash flow. All right, you got to prove that you got regular cash flow. All right, so basically that's step two, right? That's basically step two in how to buy a car with business credit. So the first step is build up your business credit. Step two is to show, this is through financial statements, to show that your business is turning a profit. All right. All right. General, you still with me? You still with me? Where you at? Oh, okay. We got you in there. I got a follower. Oh, snap. Was that you, General? Got me a follower? And I got another motherfucker up in here. Whoa, what up? All right, chat. Ha! Yeah. All right. So we are on step two, which is you got to show them that you could turn a profit, right? So that's your financial statements, your tax returns. That shows the lender that your business is making money, right? Step three, check copies of your credit report. All right. Get a copy of your business and personal credit report to make sure they are correct. Do your reports do your reports show that you are paying off your best credit cards on time? Does your credit history show that you're paying off other credit cards on a timely basis? After all, you shouldn't be neglecting what might not be your best credit cards. Okay. Step four, get together a business loan proposal. Okay. And like I said, you can get all the details from my website at on my blog, businesscreditbuilder.us/blog. You get all these details, right? Step five, shop around and compare the loan terms and rates. Okay? So far what we did was build business credit. Show that your business can is turning a profit. Check copies of your credit report. Get together a business loan proposal. Shop around and compare the loan terms and rates. Step number six, select the best lender for your purposes. All right. So you look around, you shop around, right? Number seven, gather together and provide all required documents, right? Fill out the loan application, and boom, if everything's in line, your business is set up properly, you got some business credit, all that stuff, you're going to get approved for this business loan in your business name. See, a lot of people use their personal credit to access business funding, and then their personal credit is all filled up with stuff because you put it all everything in your business, and now you need to do something for your personal, and you don't have personal credit because you used it up all on your business. So you have to know that a business can have its own credit file using its EIN number. Okay, and that's what we got today for how to buy a car with business credit using business assets. Make sure you get the free guide on how to build business credit by going to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. All right. Make sure you go check out the website and shit like that. Right. Okay. We're going to end out this stream on YouTube real quick. Thank you all for coming.